Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn programming with ChatGPT. First, ensure you have a foundational understanding of programming concepts. This will help you better interpret and utilize the AI's output. Next, select a programming language that aligns with your goals, such as Python for data science or JavaScript for web development. Setting up your development environment is crucial, including an integrated development environment or a simple text editor. Finally, mastering prompt engineering is key to getting the most out of your AI coding assistant. ChatGPT can be an invaluable tutor. You can ask it to break down complex code into understandable segments, explaining each line's purpose. Requesting practical examples of concepts like loops or functions helps solidify your understanding. Furthermore, the AI can generate small, focused code exercises for you to complete, providing immediate feedback. It's also excellent for identifying and suggesting fixes for minor bugs in your code, saving you time and frustration. To maximize your learning, refine your prompts by providing ample context, specifying the desired output format, and outlining any constraints. Don't hesitate to ask follow-up questions to clarify AI-generated explanations or explore alternative solutions. Always validate the AI's code by running it and testing it rigorously in your own development environment. Remember, AI is a tool. Combine its power with traditional learning methods, like documentation and online courses, for a truly comprehensive education. While incredibly helpful, AI has limitations. It can occasionally produce incorrect or inefficient code, so critical evaluation is essential. Avoid becoming overly reliant on the AI. Your independent problem-solving skills are paramount. Remember, the AI doesn't truly understand concepts. It predicts based on patterns, so it cannot replace human intuition or creativity. Always cross-reference AI-generated information with trusted programming documentation and resources to ensure accuracy and best practices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.